This session covers the placing of the R-beam to the test machine, installation of strain gauges and LVDTs, and connecting the measurements with the computer-operated data logger. After 28 days of curing, the beam is ready for the test. This is the schematic diagram of the test setup. First, we need to install the strain gauges. The tensile strain of concrete before cracking and the compressive strain of concrete are measured by the strain gauges. There are 6 steps of installing the strain gauges on the concrete surface, as follows. A. First, mark the locations of the strain gauges on the concrete beam. B. Make the concrete surface smooth using a grinder at the identified areas for the strain gauge installation. C. Clean the surface with a wet towel. D. Apply the paste on the cleaned surface to cover the air bubbles. E. Paste the strain gauge on the prepared surface. Hold on for a few seconds. F. Finally, take out the white transparent film from the strain gauge, and then paste the connecting terminals. The strain gauges in reinforcement have already been pasted before casting. Then, draw the perpendicular grid lines over the surfaces of the concrete beam. The purpose of the grids is to clearly determine the pattern and location of the crack during the testing. Number the grids, which will act as a reference for recording the location of the crack. Shift the beam to the testing machine. Ensure the beam is placed properly on the supports. Load is applied through two loading rollers, which are the steel bars. In addition to the strains, we need to measure the displacement at the mid-span and at sections 1/4 of span away from the two supports. The displacements of these sections are measured using linear variable differential transformers, or LVDT. Similar to installation processes of strain gauge, first we need to mark the locations for the installation of the LVDTs. It should be noted that the LVDTs need to be kept perpendicular to the concrete surface. A little deviation in angle may lead to an inaccurate measurement. Connect strain gauges and LVDTs to the data logger. All strain gauges and LVDTs are assigned a unique number, and the data will be recorded in the corresponding channel of the data logger in real time. Now, we complete the test setup and the R-beam is ready for testing.